In this video, we review the CIT Bank High Yield Savings. Have you used the CIT Bank High Yield Savings before? What was your experience? Leave your CIT Bank High Yield Savings review in the comments section below. CIT Bank's high yield savings accounts are well regarded for offering competitive interest rates that surpass many traditional banks. The Platinum Savings Account, for example, provides an APY of 4.55% on balances of $5,000 or more, while the Savings Connect account delivers a solid 4.2% APY regardless of balance size. These rates make CIT Bank a compelling option for those looking to maximize their savings. However, some potential drawbacks may make it less appealing depending on individual needs. One of the standout advantages of CIT Bank's high-yield savings options is their lack of monthly service fees. This feature, combined with the $100 minimum opening deposit, makes these accounts accessible to a wide range of savers. The interest on these accounts is compounded daily and paid monthly, ensuring account holders get the full benefit of their funds. Additionally, CIT Bank is FDIC insured, providing security for deposits up to $250,000. On the downside, some accounts require specific conditions to unlock their best rates. For instance, the Platinum Savings account mandates a $5,000 minimum daily balance to earn the highest APY. Falling below this threshold significantly reduces the interest rate to 0.25%. The Savings Builder account, which has a tiered interest rate structure, necessitates either a $25,000 balance or monthly deposits of at least $100 to access rates as high as 1%. These requirements can limit the appeal for customers with smaller or irregular savings habits. CIT Bank's fully digital platform can be both a pro and a con. While it allows for easy account management via mobile and online banking, there are no physical branches, which could be a disadvantage for customers who prefer in-person service. Additionally, there are no debit card or check writing capabilities tied to its savings accounts, limiting liquidity compared to some competitors. Overall, CIT Bank's high-yield savings accounts are ideal for digitally savvy savers who can maintain the balance requirements to earn top-tier interest rates. However, potential users should carefully consider their financial habits and the lack of branch access before committing to this online bank. For many, the high returns outweigh the limitations, but for others, the restrictions and digital-only nature might be less suitable.